passes, make sure that left lever is all the way down,
to add engine noises
and
to the
then
hybrids
bring it back up.
pedestrian safety.
It's sensitive. Okay?
Okay.
You seen how it is? Go ahead. Okay. Gas it to get it up, then hold it. Gas it till it gets about here, and then hold back. Don't bring it all the way back. Just hold back slow.
Okay. I'll try it.
Come on. Go, go. See how it's spinning around?
Yeah.
That's the trim that's messing up. I think. I'm pretty sure. Let me see if I can get it straightened out. Yeah, just the trim by these buttons up here. But,
You think I messed it up?
no, you didn't.
The light died.
Yep, I think it just did.